Welcome to today's quick guide where I'll walk you through the simple process of organizing your Telegram bots into folders on your PC. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by a cluttered chat list, this new update is a game changer. Let's dive right in. First, open your Telegram desktop app. You'll notice your folders listed neatly on the left-hand side. These are your existing chat categories, but today we're focusing on bots. Next, locate the folder where you want to add your bots. Right-click on it. A menu will pop up. Select Edit Folder. This opens a window where you can customize its contents. Now, click the Add Chats button. Here's where things get specific. Instead of selecting regular chats or channels, look for the Bots category. Telegram now lets you filter by account type, so choose this option to see only your bots. Scroll through the list and tick the ones you want to include. Maybe it's your favorite productivity assistant, a meme generator, or a file management bot. This step keeps them all in one accessible place. Once you've picked your bots, hit Save at the bottom of the window. But don't exit just yet. You'll need to confirm by clicking Save again in the main folder settings. This double save ensures your changes stick, and that's it. Your bots now live in their dedicated folder. Need to tweak it later? Just repeat the steps to add or remove bots as your needs evolve. Why does this matter? Folders reduce visual noise, letting you focus on what's important. Instead of hunting through a sea of chats, your bots are one click away. Whether you're managing workflows or automating tasks, this tiny organizational hack saves time. So go ahead, give your Telegram app a cleanup. Your future self will thank you for the clarity. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, share the tip with a friend. Until next time, happy organizing. Happy.